I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your Facebook account. For that, first of all, open up your Facebook app on your phone. After you open up your app, on bottom right you will see a menu option. Tap on it. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Settings. Under Account, you'll see the option of Personal and Account Information. Tap on it. Select Account Ownership and Control. And then tap on Deactivation and Deletion. There you can see the option of Continue to Account Deactivation. Tap on it. To confirm you want to deactivate your account, you'll need to enter your password. After that, tap on Continue. Now you'll have to select the reason or enter the reason for deactivating your account. After that, tap on Continue. Now scroll down and select the day you want to automatically reactivate your account in. After you're done, tap on Continue. At the bottom of the page, you'll see the option of Deactivate My Account. Tap on it. This way you can easily deactivate your Facebook account. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.